Molly, my Irish Molly, my sweet Acushna dear. I'm fairly off my trolley, my Irish Molly, when you are near. Springtime is only ring time. Come dear, now don't be slow. Change your name, go on your game, Bigaro, wouldn't I do the same, my Irish Molly, oh.
And I would walk 500 miles, and I would walk 500 more, just to be the man who walks 1,000 miles and falls down at your door. When I'm working, well, you know I'm gonna be the man who's working hard for you. And when the money comes and from the work I do, I'll pass almost every penny on to you.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said. Boy, you've got a friend in me. Yeah, you've got a friend in me.
Out on the Myra, the people are kind. They'll treat you to homebrew and help you unwind.
And if you come broken, we'll see that you mend. I wish I was with them again.
Now I'll conclude with a wish you go well.
Sweet be your dreams and your happiness well.
She can kill with a smile, she can wound with her eyes, and she can ruin your faith with her casual lies. But she only reveals what she wants you to see. She hides like a child, but she's always a woman to me. I'm all out of love. What am I without you? I can't be too late to say I was so wrong. I want you to come back and carry me home, away from these long, lonely nights. I'm reaching for you. Are you feeling it too? Does the feeling seem all so right?
I got friends in low places where the whiskey drowns and the beer chases my blues away. And I'll be okay. Yeah, I'm not big on such graces. Think I'll step on down to the oasis, 'cause I got friends. I get drunk, you say this thing you cannot see. That's the lonely tin whistle that me mother sent to me. It's many a day of travel, 100 miles or more, but tobacco in a tin whistle, sure I never saw before.
And as I came home on a Thursday night, as drunk could be, I saw two boots beneath the bed where my old boots should be.